Many of our WIs are currently holding their meetings online, typically using software called Zoom. This just gives us a chance to all get together at a time when it's not possible to meet face to face. If you're new to using this type of technology, Zoom might seem a little bit daunting. Don't worry though, the people at Zoom have tried to make the process as easy as they possibly can. And hopefully this tutorial will help you to get started. It's worth pointing out that you don't need to sign up for a Zoom account if all you're going to do is attend meetings. The only time you need to sign up for an account is if you're going to host a meeting yourself. If your WI is holding an online meeting, they're going to send you an invitation, and that will contain all the information you need to join the meeting. Let's have a look at what that might look like. This is an example of the type of information that you're going to find on your meeting invitation. The topic is just the title of the meeting, and then you'll have the date of the meeting and the time it's going to start. You'll also have the all-important link. This is the link you need to click on or copy and paste into your browser to join the meeting. Then you'll have a meeting ID and a password. I've blanked these out, but these will be numbers and possibly also letters. If this is your first time joining a Zoom meeting, all you need to do is click on the link. So let's do that now. Once you've clicked on the link, you'll be taken straight to the Zoom website. This page includes some information on joining your meeting. If you already have Zoom downloaded, a box will appear asking you to open Zoom. But if you've never used Zoom before, you'll need to download and run it. You'll see that there's a link here to download and run Zoom. So I'm just going to go ahead and click that. Zoom will download to your computer, and once it's downloaded, you'll see it on the bottom of your browser. I can see it on the bottom left. Your browser may show this in a different position, but you should find it somewhere across this bottom line. All I have to do is to click on this file. You may need to double click depending on how your computer is set up. Your computer might also ask you to allow the app to make changes to your device. It's fine to agree with that. Once Zoom has set everything up, you'll be taken straight to the meeting. And that's all you need to do to join a Zoom meeting with a link. You can also download Zoom without a link. To do that, you'll have to go to the Zoom website. The website you need to go to is this one here, zoom.us/download. This will take you to the Zoom Download Centre. On the page, you'll see a number of different links. The one you need is right at the top. It's called Zoom Client for Meetings. To download and run the software, all you need to do is click on the blue download button. And again, the software will download onto your computer and you'll see the file in the bottom of your browser. All you have to do is to click or double click on this file and Zoom will set up on your computer. I hope you found that useful. In the next tutorial, I'll be taking you through a couple of steps that you need to follow as you join your Zoom meeting.